Alright, so this is my new project called Jobtrackr, and it's an application. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? It's right here. So you're going to track your job applications, and there's many metrics and data visualization tools in order to help you on the journey, right? And so let's just log in here. I'm using Auth0 for authentication, and as you can see, we're in the dashboard now, and we have some very simple metrics up top, just to give like an overview of where you're at. And down here we have applications calendar, and this sort of works like GitHub calendar, where it pretty much just tracks how many applications you send out each day. And so hopefully I added this because for GitHub it really incentivized me to be consistent and work on something every day and commit something every day, right? So I thought it was a good idea to add it to my application, and hopefully it helps people be consistent as well in terms of submitting applications. Down here we have upcoming interviews. If you have any upcoming interviews, they will be displayed here. Here we have offers. It's just like here, but it displays the offers, right? Very simple. And in the applications page, this is where you're going to create the application. And so this company name field is required, but everything else is optional. So yeah, after you fill it out, you want to submit, and it'll update the state, and it should show up here, right? And so over here we have the MISC button, which is going to show you additional information about the application. And so as you can see here, there's additional details, and if you click this button, it'll copy the URL to the clipboard, and you can check out the site pretty quickly. And over here, these are the select checkboxes, and you can delete everything if you want, but it's not likely you're going to use this, right? And you can also edit your application. You can also delete, etc. You can also filter by company name, and there's some pagination down here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the applications page. Let's go on to insights. And so for insights, for this visualization, I'm using Nevo's Sankey diagram. And how it works is you'll get, so initially the job will be, the status of the job will be applied, right? So that's the first node. And by default, it's going to go to ghost if it hasn't had an interview or rejection. If it did get an interview, then there's also two paths from this node, which can go to rejected and offer. And then from offer, you could also get rejected as well. So those are basically the nodes and paths for the Sankey diagram. And so I kind of drew this out to help me create that for this component. And down here is basically cards of the different paths that is available, right? So if you don't have any, then it's not going to show up. So this is just another way to view this, right? And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I hope you try it out, and I hope you like it. If you have any recommendations or questions, just let me know. You can email me, DM me somewhere, doesn't really matter. And yeah, thank you for watching.